Hello guys, welcome to Techno. Today my tutorial is about free SEO software. Let's go to the computer screen. Here you need to open your browser first and write on Google Screaming Frog SEO. Press enter. Below link, first link here. Click on first link. You will be redirected on SEO Screaming Frog website. Here you will need to download this software. It is automatically downloaded with your pattern. If you are using Windows, it's download to Windows. If you are using Mac, it's download pop-up show on Mac. After the download, you can need to install this software. In my case, I have already installed this software. After the installation, I will show you its interface. Let's go to Screaming Frog software interface. Here is the interface. You can see this interface is very simple. There are many options here. Cursor blinking here. You need to paste your website URL here. In this software, you can audit your website and your client website. You can generate audit report easily. There are more options here. You can see link matrix here and many more options. It's absolutely free. Here are the footer. You can see many options here and many more if you want for your website, and this is totally free. You can see here overview, site structure, your website response time, your spelling and grammar mistakes. You will need to paste here website URL or your client website URL here. After the paste, you need to store them. This software automatically crawl your website and generate a report. It's free. Here